Hey guys, here's a product I just came across. It's called Ghost Pages. It's something that I'm sure will bring you value. Turn invisible pages. These are pages that you'll have in the background, getting free traffic for you to any page without needing a website, without ads, and without technical skills. There's a quick explanation on this page, on the sales page, and here, let's take a quick listen to it.
James and Drew here, and welcome to Ghost Pages. I'm so excited to bring this to you. I've known Drew for a long time, and Drew and I have stayed connected. And Drew came to me a few weeks ago. He's like, James, I know Drew's been crushing it for years. We've done products together. He said, man, I've been just absolutely crushing it with marketing in general, specifically affiliate marketing, getting traffic. And Drew's done all kinds of stuff with paid methods. He's done stuff, all kinds of different methods. But this is something that's for free. And I'm like, Drew, man, Drew's kind of like behind the scenes guy in a sense, and he does his thing, does all kinds of stuff. And it's like, how is it you're getting all this traffic in like a non-traditional way? How come you're always like ranking right there at the top of Google? And Drew broke it down for me. He's like, look, this is what I'm doing. He's like, I've been doing this for a while, but man, now I'm injecting some AI into this, and this is like a brand new crazy thing where we're using the power of Google against itself, essentially, where without any money, without running ads, without any technical expertise, without having any following, you can on demand get on page one for any keyword that you want. This is perfect for affiliate marketers. This is perfect for small business owners. This is perfect for anyone that wants to get traffic and drive it where you want to go using the power of Google against itself. So think of it like this. Google's saying, we want this. We want this traffic. We want this here. And they don't always tell you it, but Drew's found the secret. And Drew's like, look, when I do this and I do this process, which is the Ghost Pages method, very, very simple to do once you figure it out. It's like a magic trick. Once you figure it out, it's like, man, I'm ranking like crazy. And I don't even have to pay or build a website. We're using the power of, and we're going to show you what it is in the product, but we're using this Ghost Pages method to rank like crazy. Now I'm doing it. Now I'm seeing a bunch of traffic. Now I'm seeing a bunch of sales. Drew, this is crazy. Break it down. Ghost Pages method.
Yeah, I mean, this is something like you said, I've been doing it for a little while. But it is without the new stuff that we have now, these different ghost pages, the different platforms we have, plus the AI injected into it. It's a really time-consuming thing. But with this stuff that I'm doing now, for the free traffic, and I do a lot of paid traffic as well. But I know a lot of people are like, I don't want to pay for traffic. It's difficult. It's difficult to learn paid traffic. So if I was to pick one thing that's the easiest way to get free traffic without having to bug your friends and family and go on Facebook and private message people and go to Facebook groups and all that kind of garbage, this is it. And I mean, once it's set and it's basically set and forget. I mean, it's literally a set and forget type of thing, and the traffic just keeps coming. So, like James said, if you're an affiliate, if you're a small business owner, if you're a coach, whatever it is, this is going to get you traffic, and Google loves this method. So that's why a lot of these platforms that we're going to reveal, a lot of these methods that I'm going to reveal, and also the AI element to it, is something that I don't think anyone really has seen or is doing at all. This is brand new, basically.
Yeah, so that's the thing. And so it's not complicated. Once you see Drew's done the heavy lifting in terms of breaking it down in these short videos, Drew's going to tell you, look, you do this, you do that. And it's like you're using the power of these specific ghost pages. People don't even know where they're at, but because we have these ghost pages that we set up very, very quickly, all free to do, it makes Google love the payoff site, the payoff moneymaker. You're trying to drive people here, and we're using the power, and we're going to show you exactly how it is. The price of this is a no-brainer. Very, very simple to set up. Point, click, do this, do that, and in a few minutes, you've got this basically like a network set up. All this is working together, and then all of a sudden, boom, there you are. Your offer, whatever it is you're trying to do, is going to be shown on the top of Google. This is working like crazy, guys. I love traffic. I love free traffic, and I love easy. I love it when, and I told Drew, I'm like, anyone can do this anywhere in the world, right? He's like, yeah, doesn't matter where you are. And the thing is, anyone can do this. So, guys, if you want traffic, if you want to make money, if you want to get in front of buyers, and you want Google to love you, and you want to be shown anywhere in the world at the top page one of Google, you want to pick up Ghost Pages below. So the price is a no-brainer. Check it out. You want traffic, Drew's the man. Drew, thank you so much for sharing this with everybody, and we'll see you on the
Yeah.
inside.
See you guys.
That's Ghost Pages. Turn invisible pages that are working in the background for you into massive free traffic. You don't need a website, you don't need ads, you don't need technical skills, and you'll be able to steer eyeballs to any page that you want. Make sure you click the link below and check out my bonuses as well. Good luck with this, and it's very affordable at this time, so you might want to give it a shot. Good luck again, and have a nice day.